Should you buy or rent a house? One guarantees you savings but no liquidity. The other can make you more money if everything goes to plan. But one thing that is often missing from this debate is that different people want different things. And more importantly, people behave differently when it comes to money. Before you decide which of these different paths to follow, you need to know the implications of your choice. Because if you don't, you might be in for a rude awakening. Buying a home isn't just about mortgage payments. It's deposits, legal fees, maintenance, repairs, rising property taxes, and years of interest before you build meaningful equity. Your wealth grows, but much of it is trapped in the walls of your home. And if life changes and you need to move sooner than expected, buying can end up costing you more than renting. On the other hand, renting comes with a different set of trade-offs. Your landlord fixes the boiler, replaces the roof, and you have the freedom to move whenever you like. But your rent may keep rising, and unlike a mortgage, it has no finish line. Moreover, your landlord may give you notice to leave when you least expect it. But here's the one thing that makes renting the smarter financial decision. You have to invest the money you save consistently. The truth is, most people don't. They spend it. There is also the part about what to invest in. If you pick the wrong investment, the math falls apart. That's why this debate has never really been about houses. It is about people. Do you value flexibility more than certainty? Can you commit to investing regularly for decades and not panic sell during market crashes? Are you likely to stay put? Or could your circumstances change in a few years? There isn't a universally right answer. There is only the answer that's right for you. Both options involve trade-offs. So ultimately, the right choice is the one that best aligns with your goals, your values, and the life you are trying to build. But here's one thing to keep in mind. Whether you own or rent your house, make sure your choice doesn't keep you up at night.